Children, I welcome you all to the math class. So this is the second period of the class, children. So I have already told you that the day and the date today. Today is Wednesday and today is 25th of August 2021. So children, we are continuing with same chapter, but we have completed exercise 45, which is the first chapter from fractional numbers. So exercise 46 we will do 1 number to 6, okay, in today's class. So that is in page number 126 and 127. So for this exercise you need your copy also. So get ready with your math step book and math step copy. So children, we have learned many things about fraction. We have learned whole, half, quarters, yes. So you will learn a new term here, that is like fraction and unlike fractions. So you can see that like fractions, you have learned what is denominator and what is numerator. Yes, fraction. In fraction there are two numbers. Above number is known as numerator and the number below is known as denominator. Yes. So the number, if a fraction have same denominators, they are known as like fraction. For example, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, all here denominator is same, that is 4. So that is why we call it same like fraction. So the numbers which have different denominators, the fractions which have different denominators are known as unlike fraction. For example, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4, these all are fractions with different denominators. So here you can see in first there is denominator of 2, second 3 and in third 4. So these all are unlike fractions because they don't have same denominator. So if you compare like fractions, you can see that 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 7. Yes, you may wonder which one is the larger fraction. So you can see that 2 by 7 means out of 7 parts, only 2 parts are shaded. So 3 by 7 means out of 7 parts, only 3 parts are shaded. 5 by 7 means out of 7 parts, 5 parts are shaded. So you can clearly see that 2 by 7 is the smallest fraction here. It is smaller than 3 by 7 and 3 by 7 is smaller than 5 by 7. That means 5 by 7 is the largest fraction here. Understood? So next children, here also you can see ascending order and descending order of the fraction. So 0, if you have to arrange in ascending order, that means smallest to the greatest. So 0 by 8 means no fraction is shaded here. Yes. So 3 by 8, 4 by 8, 6 by 8. That means we are arranging the fraction in ascending order, smallest to greatest. So 3 by 8 is smaller, 4 by 8 is greater than 3 by 8. After that 6 by 8. Descending order means the greatest to the smallest. So 6 by 8 will come first. After that 4 by 8, 3 by 8, 0 by 8. So here also same thing is there, children. Ascending order, you can see that the fraction with the smallest numerator you will write first. Okay, so 3 by 9, 4 by 9, 6 by 9 and 8 by 9 is the largest fraction. So at the last descending order, the largest fraction, that means 8 parts out of 9 part is shaded. So 8 by 9 is the largest fraction. So we will write in first because we are arranging in descending order. So 8 by 9, 6 by 9, 4 by 9 and 3 by 9. So hope ascending order and descending order of fraction is clear to you all. Yes, like fraction and unlike fraction is clear to you all. So here also it is a fraction in ascending order, 5 by 16, 7 by 16, 8 by 16, 9 by 16. You can see 5 by 16 means out of 16 parts only 5 part is shaded. 7 by 16 means out of 16 parts 7. 8 by 16 means out of 16 part 8 and 9 by 16 means out of 16 part 9 parts are shaded. So you can clearly see that the numerator which is smaller will be written at first in ascending order, and in descending order the numerator with the the fraction with the greatest numerator will be written at first. So hope it is clear to you all. So in today's class, children, we will do exercise 46, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So let us proceed to our class. So children, In exercise 46 number 1, you have to pick out the like fraction, right? So you have already learned what is like fraction, what is unlike fraction. So write exercise 46 here. Okay, so this is the second period, so you don't have to write date again. So 1, copy the question. After that you will do A. Like fraction means which have same denominator, so we will pick the like fraction. We can see 2 and 8 and 5 and 8 are like fraction in number A, so you will write 2 by 8 and 5 by 8. Number B, what will be the answer? You can see that 6 by 7 and 3 by 7 are like fraction, so you can write it in your answer. Number C, you can see that 1 by 4 has 4 denominator, 2 by 4 and 3 by 4 are like fractions. So I have picked out the like fraction of A, B and C. You will do D by yourself. Now which of the pairs are unlike fraction? Tick them. You just have to tick this in your book. So let us do this one in the book. So this one is also unlike pair because they are having different denominator. Number B is a like fraction, like pair, so we are not taking it out. Number C is unlike fraction and number D is a like fraction. So number A and number C are the pairs of unlike fraction. Now next children, number 3. Put the greatest and the smallest sign. So I have already told you which one will be the smallest fraction. Yes, the one which will be having smaller denominator with the smaller numerator will be the smallest fraction. So here out of 4 by 7 and 2 by 7, 4 by 7 is greater, so we will put sign towards 4 by 7. Here out of 3 by 8 and 5 by 8, 5 by 8 is greater, so we will put a sign towards 5 by 8. Here towards 8 by 11, and D, E and F you will do by yourself. 3/5 and 1/5. Here 3/5 means 3 out of 5. So 1/5 is smaller than 3 by 5. So we will put sign towards 3/5. 2/9 and 5/9. Obviously 5/9 is greater because 5 parts out of 9 parts. Yes. So we will put sign towards 5 by 9. Now circle the greatest fraction and smallest, tick the smallest fraction. So here you can see the greatest fraction is 9 by 11 because it has the highest numerator. Next, tick the smallest fraction. So 4 by 11 is the smallest fraction. This thing you can do in book only. Here the smallest fraction is 1 by 10. So I am taking it out, and the largest fraction is 7 by 10. So circle it. Next, the greatest fraction is 4 by 6. Yes. And the smallest fraction is 1 by 6. In number D, the smallest fraction is 1 by 5 and the greatest fraction is 4 by 5. So E and F you can do it yourself. Let me tell you again. With the fraction with the same denominator, that is in like fractions, you will find that the smallest numerator will be the smallest fraction. Okay. Now next you have to write in ascending and descending order. You can write this in your copy. You have to first arrange in ascending order. Ascending order means smallest to the greatest. Okay. So let me do A and B. You will do C and D by yourself. So out of 2 by 5, 3 by 5. So smallest is 1 by 5. So you will write 1 by 5 first. Then after 2 by 5. Then after 3 by 5. Then after 4 by 5. Okay. So number B. The smallest fraction you can see 2 by 7. After that 3 by 7. After that 4 by 7. After that 5 by 7. So children, in the same manner, using the smallest numerator to the greatest numerator, you can do C and D. Now descending order. Descending order means opposite of ascending order. Yes, you have to arrange the fraction in from greatest to the smallest. Yes, so in number 1 you can see, number A, you can see the greatest is 5 by 8. So I am writing it first 5 by 8. Then after the next greater is 4 by 8. Then after the next greater is 2 by 8 and the smallest is 1 by 8. So I am arranging it in the descending order. Now next number B, 7 by 9 is the greatest fraction. So 7 by 9. Then after 4 by 9. Then after 3 by 9. then after 2 by 9. So children, whenever you are arranging the fraction in the descending order of like fraction, here we are talking about like fraction only, you have to see the numerator, that numerator, greatest numerator you will write, the fraction with the greatest numerator you will write first, and the fraction with the smallest numerator you will write at the last. So C and D will be your home assignment. So children, hope this much is clear from this exercise. Yes. So I will see you in the next class. Thank you everyone. Stay safe, stay healthy.